Hey guys, this is Doug from NorCal Safe and Vault in Sacramento, California. Today we are putting a Maverick 6031 up a flight of stairs. Come and check it out.
All right, everyone. So this first landing is a little bit more difficult. Definitely made it a little more challenging. We have this unique tool called a stair extension, which we're not able to use on this first landing. So we had to carefully get this in place, get the toe plate landed so we can then lean the safe over and stand it up like you're seeing here. I had to put a lot of pressure on the bottom there because that wall is in the way and takes away all the leverage that we have with our dolly. As you saw, Doug raised his handles back up so he can create more leverage when we go up the next flight. But these little landings are something that we always want to make sure we see in your photos and measurements because they make getting the safe up there much more difficult. But now we're on to the next set or the next flight, and this is pretty smooth sailing. I'm just going to get it up there, and it's a heavy safe, just over 800 pounds, the Maverick 6031. And Doug needed a little bit of extra love on the bottom, so I'm just creating a little bit of extra pressure there to help him lean it back. And as you'll see, that ledge that sticks out over that stairs, those stairs there, got real close, but thankfully our measurements were right on, and we were able to squeak that by. But once we get to the top here, I'm going to go back downstairs and grab the stair extension like I mentioned earlier. And what this tool does is it extends the landing out 3 feet. So what we'll do with this is we're going to lay our slick sticks down, and you're going to get a good look here. But those slick sticks are just Teflon sliders where we'll be able to lay the safe back down, which will allow us to then unstrap the dolly and scoot the safe around it so we can get a better angle and take that up the next flight. But these Teflon sliders are definitely lifesavers in our industry. But here's a good look. You can see how close that safe came to that ledge there. Thankfully, our measurements were right on. So we're just going to slide that safe over off the stair extension onto the next landing, and we're going to get rid of all this stuff now to get me back up to that second landing. And from here, it's pretty smooth sailing. The rest is really easy. Just got a couple more steps to get up, but here's a great look at that stair extension and that landing again. So it looks a little sketchy, but trust me, it's safe. It's not going anywhere. So here's that next set of steps. Just a couple here, no big deal for us now that we got through the hairy part. But Doug's going to make quick and easy work of this. He's going to extend those handles out again so he can create more leverage, and he's got lots of room at the top, so he's able to bear down on that dolly there and get the safe moved up there quickly and easily. But from here, it was just a straight shot back into the bedroom from the top of the steps. So we didn't even have to take it off the dolly from there. Just had to take it straight into the room where you'll see here. Neatly tucked into that corner. Beautifully set up. Maverick 6031. Thanks for watching.